What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear's Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the big green egg going. We've got a cast iron skillet here. And we're going to be making some Wagyu strips. Let's do this. Look at these beautiful strip steaks from our good friends at New England Wagyu. Amazing marbling. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We've got the egg going. Oh. We've got some maple butter and brown sugar butter in here with this with these butternut squash, some bacon. We've got this thing rip roaring for the past hour, getting it up to a good temperature so we can throw these bad boys on. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is I actually want to cook it with the fat side down. Because the skillet is already warmed up nicely, it's going to help melt that fat cap and create an awesome layer of flavor on the bottom of the pan for when we cook the rest of the steak. All right, we did the old flipperoonie. This thing is super hot. Just listen to that. Beautiful. All right, so we let it rest for about 5 minutes. Got a nice crust on it. Now we're just gonna slice it up. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, this is just ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ooh, hot. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Oh my goodness. Let's go.